So I literally, like, in this moment, I'm realizing there's a few other courses being added. This is sick. Okay, so we've got review JavaScript fundamentals by building a gradebook app, and then review DOM manipulation by building rock paper scissors game. So mind you, I'm here. A telephone number validator, which is my next sort of certification project. I'm actually kind of close. Anyway, that's exciting for some reason, but we're here to carry on this bit. So 90. Let's go. Use boolean false for condition and iteration statements. So we're going to design a new for loop. So let's start out there. We know we'll do for something, do something, right? So for let I equals count. False. Doesn't make sense. And then let's say I plus plus. I'm gonna do something. I don't think that can't be true. Yeah. False as the iteration. Okay. It's probably just to get past this stage. But we're using false for the condition and false for the iteration. Doesn't make sense to me. But as I said, it's probably just to get past this stage. We'll probably change that. To loop, your loop needs to run while I is greater than 0. Use the greater than operator for this. So the condition is the while I is greater than 0, because it's going to count down. And then we're going to, I'm guessing, go I minus minus. And you subtract 1. I equals 1. The situation there. Value of 1 from itself. I don't even know if it will let me do this. Yeah. It rather wants. For now, I will probably go through and update that later. So I'll just say a couple of things about this because I've seen some comments that ask the question. This is completely free. This is the only cost you pay, kind of, to do it, which is ridiculous because I've been learning so much, and to endure 15 seconds of an advert saying to support it, as it shows you can also give something. You don't have to. I haven't thus far. I intend to. But yeah, this is entirely free. So, please do use it. Again, we're gonna use the result of calling pad row with your I and count variables to your rows array. So just to remind people, this is what pad row does. Pad row takes the row number and row count as arguments, and it returns a bracket. Empty string, not an empty string, but a blank string, and repeats that for the number of they're based on the row count, and then it will repeat the character. Our character is just this, so we can change this to be anything for twice the row number minus 1, and then on the other end repeat the blank space. And so what you're doing there is, for each one, for the first row of maybe let's say 6 or 8, you got an empty one. It's row. So weaving thus far, going from top to bottom. So by row 8, our row count is 8 and row number is 8. So you have no space, 8 hashtags, no space. On row 7, coming down, you'll have row count is row 7. So row count is 7. Row number is 8. I'm saying this wrong. Row count is 7. Row number would be 8, and so you would have the other way around. 8 minus 7, you have 1 space. 7, 1 space, and the top 2 spaces. 6, 2 spaces. So it becomes a pyramid. So that's what pad row is doing. And so here they're wanting us to do we're going to call pad row with I count, and we're pushing this to an array. So we're pushing all of this to rows dot push, and that's what's giving us the thing. Pyramid. So what I was meant was here. You see, you've got this twice. Anyway. So that's what we're doing. I'll tell you we'll change it. So this is one of the ways that we could do that. And then we could go with a decrement operator, which is what we started with there. And we have the same thing. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, it does. I minus. So yeah. I'm gonna approach it again. I'm gonna call it and then end it here, because later I need to go and get some sleep. But alas, here we are. The fact that I've got a few more things to learn. Stop. Of course, this was just 90 to 96. We are going to call it there. As I said, at present what I'm just doing is, this season, just write a little bit of code every single day. Do a line, at least every single day. Showing up for 9 minutes is cool. At 10:53, and I need to be waking up in about 3 hours. Not healthy, but necessary at the present moment. But anyway, eventually I'll get back to at least 20 minutes, hopefully more. But for now, this is what I can do. So I'm still coming in, still showing up, and I think you guys should too.